What's up, world? I'm Dan Lamar. Today we're actually doing something fun. My Traeger been out of commission for like 3 weeks. Traeger sent me a thermostat, but it was all broken. Actually, the thermostat that came with it was broke from the beginning. That's why if you've seen some of my other videos, I got the temperature swings. He sent me an RTD probe and a new digital thermostat, but that didn't work because it was broken. Like, I have a broken thermostat, and then they sent me one that was in pieces. So, it's here from Traeger. Alright, so I know what's in this one, but I don't know what's in this one. So, I'm going to use my minimalist wallet to open it up. Like Christmas all over again, baby. Digital Pro thermostat right here. Pretty excited about this. We'll go on my Renegade Elite. And it comes with the meat probes included, so that's super cool. And then the final package right here. Let's see what's in here. Of course, the RTD probe. So, pretty cool. We're gonna get this thing hooked up to the Renegade Elite. Smoke to 160, the sear to 450. So, we got some helpers with us that's gonna help us put this together. This is the Traeger Digital Pro controller. So, let's get this on there. Using the screwdriver that came with the Traeger, and it actually doesn't fit right here, so we gotta use another screwdriver. Alright, so I'm gonna be replacing the RTD probe too, so I gotta screw these. There it is, the old controller. Gonna be replaced with this fancy bad boy. Oh yeah. What is good, YouTube? So I tried to shoot this video the other day, but I set up the new Traeger Pro controller, unboxed it and all that, installed it, and I'm getting a weird buzzing noise, so I'm about to take it apart right now. So that's what the bad boy looks like, all installed. Alright, so just like that, I have the Pro controller on. It is ready to go. But just a little tip, if you're installing a Pro controller on the Traeger, make sure you get those wires, that wire management down, because any little wire is gonna hit one of those fans and cause that. That's what that buzzing noise was. So make sure you get those wires buckled down. Alright, so the Pro controller is installed, so let's check out these temps. This is on around 350. Got a pizza going. Turned out lovely. Back in business.